Both M1 and
It is a frictionless surface, Rudreswa. So if I am applying the force F1,
both
sorry,
are
F force on M1, only M1 will move forward. So M2, what will happen? It will wait. Once M1 will overcross the fully, suppose M1 will move forward completely, then what will happen? M2 will fall down. Am I right or wrong? Yes, because it's a frictionless surface. Do you understand, Rudreswa? What I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So because I'm applying the force only for F is only for M1. So what is happening? M2 is just appears to be above the M1, but there is no friction between them. So what will happen? M2 position will never change. Is it right or wrong? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rudresh, ask me. Pradosh?
ground surface is smooth or object.
Both. That is what all surfaces are smooth. Do you understand what I'm saying? All surfaces are smooth. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So then no friction. So there is no friction between the M1 and this surface or M2 and this surface. So just M2 is present above it. So what will happen? If I apply the force for M1, M1 will just underpass it. So as soon as M1 will overcross the M2 will come down and it will fall down. Am I right or wrong? Others, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is very, very important. So that now let me consider same diagram you are drawn. If you imagine this is the answer, then this is always wrong. So we all knows that M2 acceleration is how much? If now acceleration is only for M1, M2 acceleration is how much? Because of frictionless, acceleration is A. Let me take it is as a A1. Okay. Then what about the acceleration of M2, which is equal to how much?
A2.
How much it is?
0.
0. Why? Because no force it is experiencing. Do you understand, everyone? Yes, Pradosh?
Yes, sir.
M2 acceleration is 0. That's all. Then you can apply the forces. Again, I will draw the diagram. You also can draw. So for our purpose, I will draw. So this is M1 and here somewhere M2 is there. Then the normal force exerted by M1 on M2 is, let me take N dash. Then M2 on M1 is equals to also will become what? N dash. Am I right? All of you? Yes, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Then the force exerting on this one is M1G ground and upward is normal force N and it is experiencing a force is equals to F. Of course, the force exerted on the ground by the second body is equals to also M2G. Am I right, everybody? Yes, all of you? That is what. Then if you draw the free body diagram, all of you remember M1 body free body diagram. One is normal force upward direction, another one is downward direction. That is what M1G, and it is experiencing by a force called as F. That is what acceleration is also same direction. Acceleration is positive. So these are the three forces. So then from this I can say, of course, this upward and downward forces are equal. We will neglect it. Then what is the acceleration? F net is equal to how much it will come? F net is equals to fastly MA. So MA means
MA.
so F is equals to what will happen? F is equals to all of you M1 into
M1.
from that
A1.
A1 is equals to what? F divided by
N1.
M1. Okay, wow. Then what about the second body? Second body is a frictionless surface. Only two forces are acting. One is upward direction, N dash, and another force is acting downward direction. All of you. M2G. So both are equal and opposite. So that what is the answer? Equal and opposite. So as we all knows that acceleration is equals to 0. So that what is the answer? N dash is equals to M2G. So G value is 0. So then N dash is equals to how much, Ra? Both equals to how much? Yes, please. Acceleration is 0. So what is the answer? Both are equal and opposite. Okay. So both are equal and opposite. No acceleration. Understand, brothers? Rudreswa? Clear?
Sir.
Acceleration is 0. So that body remains in state of what? State of rest or motion?
Rest.
Rest only. So that what is the by the time acceleration? There is no common acceleration. Only who is having acceleration? Body 1 alone having acceleration. So body 2 acceleration is equals to how much? Fastly, everybody. 0. So body 1 alone having acceleration. A1 is equals to what? F divided by
M1.
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 That is what you have to remember. Okay, understand, everybody? Clear? So when
Yes, sir.
all the surfaces are smooth, whatever the body is experiencing the force, the same body will move forward. Remaining body will wait. Once the first body will overcome the second body, the body just will falls down. Okay, guys? Understand? Ishali, Manya,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Narayan, are you clear, Narayan?
Yes, sir.
Murali? Okay? Solve this fastly.
sir.
Next question, I will draw the question so that you can all understand it. So next question, similar question only. This is what the formula we derived. Now we'll draw the question. Okay. So this is the base. I'm inserting the box. Okay. So one body. See, for your purpose only, this much we are doing. So this is the M1 body. Okay. So that you should not miss anywhere problem. So next M1 body mass and then M2 I will insert and then we'll proceed. So this is M2 body. Let me take a little bit bigger. Okay. So that it will be clear. So now I am representing M2 body is 2 kg. How much kg, everybody? 2 kg. So M1 is 5 kg. How much it is? M1 is
5 kg.
5 kg. Okay, wow. So M1 is 5 kg and M2 is 2 kg. 2 kg it is. Okay. So now the force exerting on the first body is 10 newtons. How many newtons, everyone? 10 newtons. Okay. And the total length of the first body, that is what, which is equals to 4 meters. Means once entire 4 meters will move, second body will move what? It will fall down. Am I right or wrong? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because all the surfaces are what? All the surfaces
No,
are
sir.
all the surfaces are smooth. Clear, everybody? That's what it is, the question. Then you want to find the acceleration. So how to find the acceleration? Find the, actually here not acceleration. They're asking us to find the time in which 2 kg falls off 5 kg. That is the question you have to find it. Find the time in which 2 kg falls off 5 kg. Means when it will falls. When the 5 kg object completely moves, then 2 kg object will fall down. Am I right or wrong, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Please respond. So that is what it is.
Yes, sir.
You can see. So we can find the acceleration of first body. How we can find? Anybody can tell me? Acceleration of first body. So of course, acceleration of second body, which is equals to 0. Let me take A2 is equals to 0. And as we know, acceleration is 0 means this body not experiencing anything. So that initial velocity is also what? Initial velocity also what? All of you, 0. Yes or no, guys? Please respond. Now, let me consider this first block is A and the second block is B. What is the second block, everyone? First block is A
B.
and the second block is B I am considering. So now you have to redraw the diagram. This is the question. Question, nothing is mentioned. You have to redraw the diagram. Okay. Now, I will proceed. So F is applying only for A body or B body? Everybody? F is applying A body or B body? Now, what is the question? Find the time in which the 2 kg falls off 5 kg. Means when it will falls, we all people knows. So as soon as this entire A body will move away, so that B body will fall down. Am I right, everyone? Yes or no? Mr. Murali? Clear? Rohit? That is one. Now observe very carefully. Let me take, we all knows that I want to find the acceleration of first body. Can you find the acceleration of first body? I know A2 is equals to 0. A1 is equals to, just now we have found the formula. A1 is equals to what?
2 meters per second square.
F divided by M1, which is equals to how much? 10 divided by 5, which is equals to what is the acceleration of first body? Everybody?
2 meters per second.
Yes, very good. Understand? Now, imagine that now they are asking what time the second body will falls when the first body overcomes. How much time it will take? So, to solve this question, we all knows that what is the length of the first body? Everybody? What is the length
4
of the first body? Very good. Okay. Now imagine like when you are sitting in the bus, all of you observe very carefully. When you are sitting in the bus, now somebody is standing outside the road, just advertise. Now, if you imagine you are sitting inside the bus and your acceleration is forward direction Actually, 2 meter per second square. How many meter per second square, everybody? 2 meter per
meter per
second square. Imagine you are A and this is the B. Now tell me, when we are seeing through the window, all the mountains, people, trees, everything is appears to be moving backward. Am I right or wrong? All of you? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Actually, their acceleration is 0. We found it already. This is A1. Their acceleration is 0. In forward direction, their acceleration is 0. But when we are seeing, he is our observer. 9th class, you might be studied. He is our observer. Then you tell me the object B is appears to be moving what acceleration in the backward direction? That is what I want to know. Backward direction, it will move with what acceleration? Yes.
-2.
-2. Very good. Because we are moving forward with
Yes, sir.
2 meter per second means
Plus
the body which is standing outside, it will goes with the same acceleration. Am I right, Pradosh?
Yes, sir. Minus
Yes,
2.
that's all. So if you understand that, that is what. That is the reason when we are sitting inside the bus, you can see all the objects. When we are seeing in the train, all the objects are appears to be moving backward. Am I right or wrong? Others?
Yes, sir.
That's all. So imagine that. Imagine clearly. That is why I redraw the diagram. Mr. Observer is here. Who is this? Everybody? Mr. Observer is here. Clear? So now you tell me acceleration of B with respect to A. We have already solved relative motion. So tell me relative motion, we are very, very familiar. Acceleration of B with respect to A, which is equals to what? Acceleration of B minus acceleration of A. Am I right or wrong? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the
Yes, sir.
acceleration of A? 0. Sorry, B.
0 -2.
Acceleration of B is how much? 2. So means acceleration of B with respect to A, which is equals to how much? Everybody?
-2
-2 meter per second square. So minus indicating what? It is moving backward direction or forward direction? All of you? Backward direction. So backward already mentioning. So it is not necessary represent again minus. So I will say B body is appears to be moving -2 meter per second square. That is what, or else I can say 2 meter per second square in a backward direction. Am I right, everyone? Yes, that is what. Next, the total distance of A, that is what? What is the total distance of A? Then what is the distance traveled by the B with respect to A? So whatever the A of A length, that is what the B also will appears to be travel. For example, A travels 4 meter forward, then B is also appears to be travel how many meters? Backward direction. 4 meters.
4 meters.
Right or wrong? That is what. So the distance traveled by a B with respect to A, which is equals to also how many meters? Fastly, everybody? 4 meters. And what is the initial velocity of the B? Initial velocity of the B. Body is at what? Rest. So initial velocity is 0. Now they are asking us to find the time. That's all. So which equation will apply? We know the acceleration also. So acceleration is 2 meter per second square. So what is the second equation? S is equals to ut plus half at square. So S is equals to 4. U is 0. So that 0 into time is equals to, we don't know, plus half into acceleration is, we should not take negative. Why? It is moving in the, we already calculating the B body only. So that acceleration is backward direction 2 meter per second square. So into 2 into time is equals to how much? T square. So 2 will get cancelled. This whole term will become 0. So T square is equals to how many seconds? Everybody? 4 seconds. T is equals to root
2
of.
seconds.
So T is equals to plus or minus 2. So time will never be negative. So what is the correct answer?
2
2
seconds.
seconds.
2 seconds. That is what. Do you all understand how to find it now? Manya and Samya?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
That is what. So time is equals to how much? Time is equals to how much? 2 seconds. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Or not? So this is what it is. So hope you all understand. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. Now, next one more question I will teach you. Formula I will teach you how to derive. After that, we'll solve the question related to that in the next class. So till here, any doubt, anyone, you can ask me. Okay, guys? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So solve this question. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Next question. So the question is, I'm saying the question, find T. T means what? You are all very familiar. T means what? Tension in string. Okay.
Tension.
So find T and as well as find A of M1 and M2. That is what is our question. Okay. So let us again draw diagram. see, for every time you have to draw diagram 2 times. But me, for your purpose, I'm trying to take neatly so that it is taking time. So we cannot draw everything multiple times. But you have to draw every time question separately and answer separately. Is it okay, guys? Suppose when I'm practicing, I will draw like that only. And you all should draw. That is what is expecting the same thing. So this is my surface. And I'm taking 2 blocks of one is M1 mass and another one is what? This is M1 mass. Okay. So let me take M1 mass and another one is M2 mass. What is this? M1 mass and M2 mass. So now both are actually attached with the string T1. So this is a T1. Okay, everybody. All of you?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Then
sir.
the force applied in the forward direction. You can see here. The force applied here is actually F. Okay. Now you tell me. So like some people are, somebody is pulling the from the forward so that both the blocks are moving. So both the blocks are force in this direction. So acceleration also, both the bodies. Acceleration is also what? Same direction or different direction? Acceleration is also. Everyone. Yes, please. Same direction. Am I right or wrong? Others? All of you? Then this same diagram you should draw in the second time. I am drawing only one time, but you should draw second time. M1 and M2. Now you tell me the weight or tension which is acting downward direction. Sorry, M1. What is that force? M1G acceleration. And this body, what is that? Everybody.
M2.
Okay. Next. You can see that normal reaction which is acting on this one. Let me take N. Then the tension which is exerted by strings always away from the point or towards the point? Away from the point. Let me take T. Then this body is also away from that. That is what also we used to call as what? Same string. Same string means same tension or different tension? Same string.
Same.
Yeah, same string means all of you respond. Same tension.
Same tension.
Right or wrong? That is what. So that is what is a thing. Second time you have to draw the diagram. Drawing, brothers. That is what. Okay. Now consider a FBDs. FBDs means what? Free body. Free body diagram. The first one.
Diagram.
The first body. That is M1. So if I consider M1, so what is forward? Forward is only one force. What is that? T. Okay,
T.
yeah, upward, normal, it will be gone away because body will move only forward. So N is equals to M1G. If you take here also, N2 is equals to M1G. So it is both are equal and opposite. So that total is equals to what? In this direction, movement is equals to how much? 0. Okay, guys? Yes or no? All of you? That is what. So now acceleration is also acting in the same direction and positive it is. So that what is the net force? F net equals to fastly. F net is equals to M into A. So that F net equals how much it will come? That F net only we
T.
can say tension. Yeah, tension. So tension T is equals to how much? M1 into A. Am I right or wrong? Others, everybody? Yes. Fastly.
Yes, sir.
Then second body is M2. Then tell me M2 what is the forces? One force is forward direction F and backward direction what is acting?
T.
Backward direction what is acting? T. And acceleration is here. Acceleration is here. So which is positive? F is positive or T is positive? F is positive or T is positive? Wherever acceleration comes, that is positive. So that is what is that? F minus T or T minus F, everyone?
F minus
minus
T.
T is equals to M to A. That is what? F net. F net is equals to MA. Am I right or wrong, everybody? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
equation
sir.
2 and this is equation 1. So both add the both equations. What will happen? Add both equations. T is equals to M1A and F minus T is equals to M2A. So both add means what will happen? Both TT will get cancelled. So F is equals to M1A plus M2A. So which is equals to A is common, M1 plus M2. So from that, what will happen? A I want it. A is equals to what will come? Everybody.
by
F
M1
divided
plus
by M1 plus M1 plus M2. Okay, understand, Ara? All of you? Yes? Please respond. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So here, if you remember, for example, if you imagine this fully like a bicycle, this is back tire and this is front tire. Now I will say, suppose imagine that this is, now all of you observe very carefully, and this is not new things, very old thing, so which you are studying from long back. So now if you all notice it, I will say front wheel is traveled 5 meters displacement. Then what about the back wheel also? Finally, the front wheel came here, back wheel came here. So first position to final position, the front wheel is 5 meters means, what about the back wheel?
Sir.
How much it will travel? Yes, please, Pradesh.
Fine.
Will travel what? 5 meters only, because each part of the body will travels how much distance? Displacement?
5 meters.
5 meters only. Clear? Because that is only motion we used to call as translatory motion. Do you all remember? Lower 8th class will study. So translatory motion. Okay, or we will say translatory motion again 2 types. First type is rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion. Each part of the body will travel the same displacement. That is only called as translatory motion. Clear, everybody? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So that is what.
Sir.
So now if M2 body travel, for example, I'm saying, if M2, because of applying the force, both are attached actually. Now M2 body travel 100 meters means, then M1 also will travel how much distance? Everybody, how much displacement? All of you?
100.
100. So please remember that. That is very important. So each part of the body travels what? Everybody? Travels same displacement. Please remember that. Clear, everyone? Understand, Amma? All of you? So it's very simple. If you want to find shortcut formula. So as it is both are attached, as it is both are attached, then entire thing I'll consider as a system. So if I consider as a system means, then we all knows that. What is the total mass? If I consider as a system, what is the total mass?
M1 plus M2.
Yeah.
M1 plus
Consider as a system, then what is the total mass, everyone? Total mass is equals to how much?
M1 plus
M1 plus,
M1 plus M.
that's all. Then acceleration is equals to F net divided by M net. So M net is equals to F applied force divided by M net is equals to what? M1 plus M1 plus M2. That's all. Clear, everybody? Understand? All of you?
Sir.
That is. So this is what about it. Now, based upon this, we will solve the numericals next class. Or else I will give you the question. Will you able to solve similar way, everyone? Can you find the acceleration? Very simple question I'll give you. If not, I'll teach you tomorrow's class. So very simple. The question is, I'll draw the question, same formulas. So first body is A body, 2 kg mass. How many kg mass? A. And attach it to the next body, which is having 1 kg mass. Attach it to the next body, which is having a 3 kg mass. How many kg mass? 3 kg. So this is B and this is C body. And applied force, if you have taken, F is equals to 6 newtons. Then find the acceleration. That is the question. So please, all of you try this question. If not possible, tomorrow, and you tell me the answer. Even I will give the
1 meter.
I will give the clue. The force exerted by here, if you see, normally solve, brothers, equations you form. I don't want shortcut, equations. So then the tension exerted by this one, let me consider T1. Then here also how much it will consider? How much it will be? Same string, T1. Okay, wow. Then the tension exerted by this one is, let me consider T2. Then tension exerted by this one also, how much it is? Same string, T2. Okay, wow. Then if you solve this one, you will get a 3 equations of totally. So for first body, easily I can say the equation. Only one direction it is acting, T1. So what is the net force equals to? T1 is equals to everybody, 2A. Am I right or wrong? Second
Yes,
body, what will come? Second body, acceleration is in same direction. Everybody remember. So
T1.
yeah, acceleration is same direction. So T2 minus T1 is equals to 1A. Then
1A.
here what will happen? Again, acceleration is same direction. So F minus T2 is equals to 3A. Am I right or wrong? Others?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you form these equations, if you derive it, you will get the acceleration. That's all. Okay. So you try everybody. So that is what everybody FBD, free body diagram you draw and find the acceleration. So finally, acceleration usually you will get 1 meter per second square. Of course, by using shortcut, we can directly say, am I right or wrong? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But you try to get equation. First, suppose free body diagram 1, only T1 acting, and acceleration is positive because it is same direction. So F net equals to MA. So what is F net? F net equals to T1, M1, MA is equals to 2 into A, 2A. Like this, form the equations. Then second one, you write it. Free body diagram you draw. Second body. What is the second body free body diagram? This is T2 and this is what? T1, and acceleration is positive direction. This is a positive. So which is equals to what? M2 mass area. M2 mass is equals to 1 kg. So F net equals to what will happen? F net equals to MA. F net means what? T2 minus T1 is equals to 1 into A. So what is the formula? T2 minus T1 is equals to A. This is the second equation. Is it okay, guys? Like that, third body you draw. Okay, guys? Third body is very simple. F, acceleration is acting positive direction. And again, one more force is exerting backward. What is that? All of you, T2. Okay, wow?
T2.
Yeah, I only completed the answer, but still you try. F minus T2 is equals to how much mass? 3 into A. That's all. Because
3A.
F net is equals to MA. So if you solve this one, this is the third equation. So both the equations, all the three equations you add, you'll get the acceleration answer. Okay, guys? Will all people try or not? Mr. Murali?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please solve this question. Then another inclination, if the force is applied, how to solve? We will see in the next question. Then the pulley system, it is there. So actually next class, we are going to study about the pulley system and shortcuts only. So that we will continue in the next class. Okay. Hope you is already at 10:40. So you can sleep immediately. So we'll meet in tomorrow's class. Thank you. Complete your question and we'll meet tomorrow. So please try to read, utilize the time tomorrow. Whenever you are free, whole day you are free, only Saturday and Sunday. Beginning it is. So it's the time to read more, many things are there to cover. So please try to utilize the time. Third chapter, again go through once. That PDF, Akash PDF, whatever is in 40 pages. Each and everyone line to line, you people can understand because already we studied many things. So go through once and study. Okay. Thank you all of you.